Hey guys, I'm Josh Spires from DroneDJ, and today we were taking a look at the DJI RSC 2. The RSC 2 comes in a hardshell case with two main compartments. The first one has a tripod mount, a camera mount, screws for the camera, and a few extra bits. Moving on to the larger compartment, we have the USB-C charging cable, camera data cables, and the RSC 2 itself. For the review, DJI also sent over a vertical mounting adapter and a set of counterweights for larger cameras. Taking a look at the RSC 2, we can see it follows the same overall design as the original RSC with an added OLED display. The new display allows you to control the gimbal, adjust settings, and control the mounted camera. Switching to the back of the gimbal, we can see it has a new scroll wheel and the old trigger button. The new scroll wheel allows you to control the zoom, focus, or ISO of the camera connected. Quickly looking at the camera mount of the gimbal, we can see three USB-C ports. One for the camera, the focus motor, and the new Ronin image transmission system. Looking at the controls, we have the mode and record button and a new joystick. On the side we have the power button and charging port, and on the other side we have a back button and a scroll wheel to control the new display. The gimbal arms once again have lock nuts on each of the axes, allowing you to balance any payload up to 3 kilograms. The RSC 2 has a 1/4 inch thread on the bottom for the included tripod mount and third-party accessories. The battery is not able to be removed but does last for 14 hours. Now for the big new feature. The RSC 2 lets you fold it in half to get better low-angled shots, which also makes it easier to travel with. The new mechanism allows you to fold the gimbal 90 degrees while keeping the handle at the top, so you don't have to get lower to get a lower shot. Enough talking, let's get out and test this gimbal. So what did you guys think of the clips? I would have to say my favourite was probably the 3D roll. For the 2 weeks that I've been testing the RSC 2, I haven't been able to get through the whole battery. I have about 25% left, and that's with shooting every day for the last 2 weeks basically. Now that I've finished with the RSC 2 and I've had time to look at the footage closely, I have a few things to say to finish off the video. The RSC 2 is able to stabilise everything when I'm walking, but it tends to struggle a little bit when I start running. The 3D roll mode is great, as it allows you to capture movie-like 3D rolls without much effort. If you're looking to capture steady footage and have a camera within the 3 kilogram payload weight, I'll definitely recommend the RSC 2 to you. If you have the original Ronin SC, I wouldn't suggest upgrading to the RSC 2 just as, but if you're looking for a specific feature the RSC 2 only has, then go ahead and upgrade. As for the Ronin image transmission system, I wasn't actually able to get a review unit in for this video, but I'll definitely be taking a look at it in a future video. So until then, goodbye.